Hello, I believe that you can win quickly. Okay, what is that? Why do I say that? So, once you understand the strategies and you understand what you need to do and you put the pieces in place, your success can come in the form of an explosion. For example, in one of my e-commerce businesses, right? The Once I understood exactly how many products I had to put up and how much effort that was going to take to put up those products, I did it very quickly. And then my income rose exponentially. And it was very, very, very quick that it happened. It didn't have to take 2 years, 3 years. It ended up taking a month for me to see my income first double and then quadruple. And I was like, wow. But that's the power of understanding strategy. If you want to get a step-by-step strategy so that you can start to, exponentially grow, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below, which is a link to my free community called Uncapped Growth Strategies. We just give you everything that you need to step-by-step start moving forward and get you around like-minded people who are constantly, communicating about what's working in their business. If that's what you're searching for, go check out the link in the description below. Have a great one.